So we're gonna start cutting boards here. I'm gonna go and just look in the real world where I'm at. Lay it on the Cant. And I'll go up. Every one turn is 2 inches on the Wood-Mizer manual set works. Okay, so what I found here, the thickness I like is I'll go down to where I just marked, and then I'm gonna go down to there, and that's gonna give me the thickness I want. And this magnet over here will be my next board, and you'll see as we go I'll just keep flipping the magnet along. That way you don't get lost, you don't have to get worried about your measurement or nothing. You just know where you are in relation to everything else. You get that there. As you can see, there's a nice 1-inch board gonna come off of there. We're gonna fire this guy up and cut ourselves with a brand new blade. Okay, 12 hours ago I cut that, and it was flat. This is sapwood. This would have probably have done it anyway, but this will go to the firewood pile. But we're going to continue on, and we're going to cut ourselves the boards for the dry pile. So like, share, and subscribe. Join me. We're going to put this one out the door into the firewood and get going. There we go. We're gonna get 7 usable planks. I still have to give them a trim. Once I trim them, oh yeah, we're gonna end up with some 15s. Perfect. Love it. That clamp there, I bought an extra one when I had my Woodland 130. Very nice, quick, easy to work with. So I kept one and I rigged it in on here because it only came with 2 log clamps. These are great, don't get me wrong. This is nice in a quick situation. There. We're gonna edge this guy right now. That'll work for me. That'll be my reference. Generally 3 will be what I'll be after. Yeah, I'm gonna go one more down. And there's the third. Okay. It's warm today. Like I always say, this hobby's gonna keep me in shape or kill me, one of the two. I'm not sure. Just putzing away at these old logs here. Trying to get some nice wide boards out of them, but as I'm digging into these last few big old logs, there's a lot of cracks in them that are probably going to be a hindrance to me. I don't know for sure, but we're still going to edge them and dry pile them, and I'll make that decision when I go to put them on that building over here. I'm sure we'll get some nice wood out of it, but there'll be a lot of firewood, I'm thinking. So I'm going to clamp this guy together and take the first burn off of it here. A lot of work for 8 or 9 boards, but I don't know where you're getting 15-inch wide boards. That's what's nice about having your own mill. Yeah, gold. Gold. Gonna be nice barn siding, man.